guys, and welcome to our brand new season of Showbiz Insider. I'm Zoe and this is Movida Dubai. Now I hope you guys had a great time over the summer, but are now ready to launch yourselves back into the arts and entertainment scene here in the UAE. Now this month was all about new openings and new experiences with IMG World of Adventures, Dubai Opera and Cirque du Soleil. Thrill seekers, first up we have scary amounts of fun with the opening of the world's largest indoor theme park. The 1.5 million square feet of temperature-controlled indoor theme park is the size equivalent to 28 football fields and has a capacity for up to 30,000 thrill seekers per day. Located on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road near Global Village, buckle up for the rides of your life.
IMG World of Adventures is a 1.5 million square foot park, fully indoors. What is unique about the park itself is the fact that it is built like an outdoor park, but with a roof over the top. We didn't want to build it like a typical indoor theme park where you feel everything is quite condensed. Right. We wanted to give people the sense that it's an open feeling. The park took roughly 36 months to construct. A lot of the vision came from the owners themselves, Mr. Ilyas and Mr. Mustafa Galadari. They were hands-on throughout the 36 months from planning the park out with the multiple different developers that we used across Orlando, Canada and Europe.
The team developed the concepts, creating 22 anchor attractions spread across the 4 main zones. The Marvel area features 5 immersive rides, warp speed adventures with superheroes and Avengers. The Lost Valley is a homegrown dinosaur theme section, and the Cartoon Network area is for kids of all ages.
In Marvel, the Avengers Battle of Ultron is one of the key rides. It's an interactive dark ride, which means you sit on a motion-based vehicle that takes you through various sets with 3D glasses. There's a lot of physical sets, there's physical props taking place, and it's a world-class attraction. It's the first Marvel Avengers attraction that's been built in the world, so we're quite excited about that, and it's based around the latest movie that just came out, the Battle of Ultron. Sure. So it's quite unique. We have the Spider-Man spinning coaster, which is a 400-meter roller coaster track where you fly with Dr. Octopus through the New York street facade. And then one of the most unique attractions in Marvel is the Hulk Circumotion attraction. It's first time in the world this attraction has been built. It's a 100-seater dome that will take you up into a 360-degree dome, and it will take you on a spin with Hulk while you wear 3D glasses. So completely unique and it's never been seen before.
Intense action with Hulk and Spider-Man propelling you through the New York skyline and running straight into a battle between Loki and Thor. Yes, top spinning ride Thunderspin is not for the faint-hearted.
We're ready to roll! My eyes were closed for most of it. And then you flip and it's like, whoop.
It was crazy. I felt like I was in a blender.
I was scared to death, but it was really, really nice. The best ride I've ever been on. I was like, yes! I'm going it! That was incredible! Crazy.
And lose your mind in the Lost Valley on the Velociraptor, a 1.1 kilometer roller coaster which accelerates to 100 kilometers in just 2.5 seconds. That is terrifying. Extreme, extrasensory experiences with the latest in motion and virtual technology. Now there's some really cutting edge technology that's gone into creating the ride. Yeah. Can you explain a little bit about the stereoscopic 3D motion? What is this?
Sure. I think the evolution is 3D always has been very much the screen coming at you. Today we want to take you to the screen as well. Right. So we use a lot of motion to interact with the 3D itself. On the attractions, for example, if the hand of Hulk will come out, the vehicle will actually move back with the hand movement of Hulk. So we really want you to be integrated into the experience, to feel like you're part of the actual experience and not just a passenger on a train watching the experience.
Over in the Lost Valley, signature rides include a safari showcasing 70 prehistoric life-size dinosaurs and the world's first dinosaur-themed carousel.
The Lost Valley is probably one of the most unique and beautiful zones in the park. It's a lot of rich architecture, a lot of foliage. It has a beautiful storyline about this volcano erupting with all the dinosaurs being in jeopardy and you working with the scientists to rescue the eggs. We have more than 70 animatronic dinosaurs in the park, which was designed by a company called Kokoro out of Japan. They're the same company that designed the dinosaurs that you see in the Natural History Museum in London today. So they're as lifelike as they possibly could be.
So if vertical roller coasters and being propelled through skylines all gets a little bit much, I suggest heading to the Cartoon Network Zone. Now, designed for the kids, it's time to embrace your inner child with the Powerpuff Girls and, of course, 5D theatre experiences.
Cartoon Network's definitely driven more towards the family market with a lot of attractions for the younger kids. We have the Ben 10 5D cinema. Again, 5D being the evolution from 3D, 4D, and now we're into 5D.
So what does that actually mean?
We not only have a 3D environment, we also move your seats, but we also play with your senses. We tickle your legs, there's air blowing on you, there's smells coming out. So really to take you into the experiences.
Totally immersive theatre based. Yes, there's got to be some time to relax. Check out the iconic Adventure Time ride, an overhead scenic experience. That's before saving the world with the Powerpuff Girls. You're going to need to keep yourself fueled with the characters in the IMG Boulevard, featuring dining options and shopping. Foodies rejoice, the 10-story Stark Tower will be home to a fine dining restaurant with Michelin star quality chefs.
We are creating a whole new tourism sector in Dubai today. Today, Dubai has been heavily focused on retail, shopping, and a lot of beaches and the great outdoors, but entertainment hasn't really been on the forefront. And today, if we want to grow the average length of stay for tourists in the country, you need anchored entertainment attractions, and I think we're the first piece of that bigger puzzle coming into play.
Tickets for the new entertainment mecca are priced at 300 dirhams for adults and 250 dirhams for children. Now they're defined as anyone under 1.2 meters in height. Your mission, people, is to have insane amounts of fun with the entire family. Now they're expecting 4.5 million visitors in the first year. But the other opening that's going to add a whole new dimension to our cultural scene was the opening of Dubai Opera that's coming up next.